Welcome guys, today I am with the Philips Fidelio M2 Bluetooth headphones and I'm going to show you how you can connect them to your iPhone. So first, just be sure that your headset is turned off. When this indicator is not activated, it means that they are power off. So right now we have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking on the blue and the white. Keep holding. Okay, right now it starts blinking on the white and the blue, so we can release and simply go for the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. Enable Bluetooth with this switcher. They appear on the list, so we can click on them once to connect with our iPhone. As you can see, we are connected. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to like, comment and subscribe.